Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add ChatGPT search to Google Chrome. Alright, so let's begin with the video. ChatGPT just dropped this, and it allows you to use ChatGPT like normal, but also it pulls information from Google sources and shows it you in an easy-to-digest way. They also have a Google search extension, which I'm going to show you. So this is only available right now to paid users, but they are rolling it out for free users as well. And it just will change the way we search. And here's how you can download the extension. So right now the best way to get it is to go to ChatGPT. Then go to your profile icon. Then go get ChatGPT search extension. Then it will open up the Chrome Web Store. You can then click Add to Chrome and add extension, and once it's been added, it's going to then change your search engine. So right here, all of this search, if you ask it something like what's the weather in Thailand, it's going to open ChatGPT instead of Google. And look how quickly it gives me the information. For more complex questions, it can give you easy-to-digest information, and you can ask it follow-up questions and get information really quick. So that's basically how you can add ChatGPT search to Google Chrome. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.